Alright, so imagine guys, I bought some chicken and I was supposed to collect it Thursday, right? Thursday and today Tuesday. And out of every day, you know, them decide to tell myself to come pick it up today. Look for outside, look outside, don't see. Like, why would I want to come out like this? Anyway, I'm gonna collect the chicken now. I have my mask. Need to put it on.
Nessa starts stashing out everything for these little baby chickies. We already have the big chickies. These are the little baby ones. Come on, buy some chickens. Okay, here are the chickens. This one right here is really very tasty. Look at the camera and tell them to subscribe to us as well. Look at the camera. You're looking at the camera? Okay. Okay, so these are the baby chickadees are going to be turning into these big chickens that we have right here. And they're going to be in our lair. This one has a little broken foot. This one has a little broken foot. Here. This one just looking at the camera like he's crazy, you know, like, no. Don't judge the cum in the bridging. Don't judge the cub. This is JA. Don't judge the cub. So this is JA. So please do not judge the cub. And please, a reminder: subscribe to Nessa's World and put a thumbs up if you like it. Put a thumbs up for chickens. All right. Feeding them. Now I'm going to look down for the chicken name. Sarah. Okay. Wait. Subscribe for these chickens. Please, thank you. Subscribe for these chickens. And smash a like if you like it. Bye.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Nessa's World. So today I'm going to slaughter some chicken. Yes, and I have my party with me today. She's down in her phone, you know.
Hi.
Yes, her name is Anita. What is your YouTube channel?
Nitani Life's Imprint.
Nitani Life Imprint. You guys know something can't pronounce word, you know, so you hear from her.
So it's Nitani Life Imprint.
Yes, so you guys need to go on over and subscribe to her channel. She have a very interesting story to tell, and she do a lot of hair. Like, yeah, she do my hair, but no matter watch this right now, it kind of dry and still. But yeah, welcome to the slaughterhouse of this chicken. So we kind of take up the feed from them so they can't eat any, and them kind of drain because they're hungry. Yeah, but them about to die. And here are the new chickens. Yeah, very active, aren't they? So Raldan is about, well, we're waiting on Raldan. Like, we literally stung away for Raldan. From about 5 o'clock this morning, we're waiting for Raldan. And Raldan say I come, but you know how Jamaicans stay. Me I come. And all now in can't reach. And they did set up one little tarpaulin. We make him know so we don't really need him help. And the fire, we're about to light some fire right here. You understand? And set up the place. But this is like the before. The place kinda dirty right now because a summer, you know, so the lift them dry. And up on the ground, I be careful when I work up the yard. Welcome to the official Nessa's backyard.
That's doing that.
Is where I don't know, might catch the fire. It's a real country style. This is how we do it in Jamaica. You know, they look. This is how we do it in Jamaica. We're gonna put that in it. We're gonna look for it. This is how we do it in Jamaica.
That's how we do it.
But Raldan, suppose them they go catch a fire.
Wow.
The coconut trash them.
Yeah.
You're wrong. Go to run and throw water.
No, we don't manage. Well, I fire with that for
How do this? How do this?
We put it there.
Eh?
Yeah. The behind you.
Where? What's behind me, man? Don't do that. Don't play my bassy. Don't do that. Okay. What is? I know you smell pretty falling. You smell pretty falling?
You can't cut it for you.
Yeah.
You must say a woman here they're coming now. It's too high. Too high.
Too high. I just don't want to show a full energy.
Yes, it a go flash up.
Do that.
Extra.
You can still. And when you watch the video, you see there, you say, watch it. Yes, sir. Watch it.
Extra. If you want to know extra, check Raldan.
Rally P, you see?
Rally P. Look how Raldan have burned down the place. Eh? Because you oh. But you can't wait up a wood rather than you smoking wood too much. Lord Jesus. Rather than burn down the place.
Imagine if neighbors manage to wet in a wood right this one and to do your fire, man. Fire dry up that and it's going on good again.
Yeah, wet up a wood.
Wet it better.
That's alright.
No? No pit panny.
Oh my God. We don't know rather than talk about it.
We laugh so then. You laugh like you know that.
They are cut up in neck. These people them want you know them seems fussy. Martin. So they don't want a butter blood. Nail it up this like how you used to nail up here.
Oh, I never do not know why I say it.
So now I used used to one used to just be there.
Yeah.
I then take it down. See am I here? Say no to nail.
Look on the nail, what for?
So you have to go use one next caulk. See, it's one thing there. Yeah. You have to use the caulk so you nail no bossy. So you go in there and nail it.
Why?
You have to cut open right there, son.
Cut open.
Right there, son.
You know what they don't want this.
Cut open so, cut the open right so.
So you know it's here.
We have to improvise so.
You have buckle, that's why you have to do it.
Me not no buckle.
Make we catch you if you lick your finger. Come close.
That's why I think you won't pop up. But you grab that curry already. So.
Alright, no alright.
Hmm?
There the chickens will be slaughtered.
Fire that bubble. God. Why you don't really do that? On your flash, on your flash.
Come on, sick, head no good.
That's what?
What? Yeah, say if you waste my neck.
What?
If you waste the neck.
I don't know what happened. What happened?
Look out for a job.
You take off this one.
Take off.
Hot. That thing hot, man. You see what I'm falling.
Yo, you dip it fast and take it out. What I do, you dip it and then take it out.
You
Dip
can
it, make sure everything.
You can do it?
Yeah.
You can do
And
it?
then you flip it over and you put it
So your backside, you put first, and you rub on foot first, and you put the body. Just one neck right there. You put first, and then how it's passing.
Yeah, but
Just the foot first.
high school. Dip it fast.
Can I come back here?
No, the foot can stay a little longer.
Foot balance.
Alright, come.
Is she back?
No. Dip it chicken. Dip it fast, dip it whole light in the fast. Come now, take it out. No,
Yeah, man, put in there somewhere.
no.
We tear up.
Put in there water.
Alright, start picking and
And that we normally do.
alright. No man, if it's burn up, you water hot on you. Put it on try for it. What? Give me one. It's more. You just come up.
I am practicing social distancing and wearing a mask.
water. So you know, then chill water. Jesus God. 50 gone. Okay.
It's not bad, you want it.
Wait, you go. This is my dog, my brain. Dog na open. Nice. Come on, follow that. Fire. Yes, man. Two bigger ones for my dark. That's so ice. That will be good. Empty. Just take 2 bottles. I'm going to get lost. I'm going to get.
Are you not happy with that?
Oh my God. Food? You can't say, oh, they get the food. So. You want to see the guys? I probably be able to watch the shit I want. I want to get mine tonight. Baby. She's a baby mother.
I wonder what take picture in it. Leave knife for flashing or something.
How much phone is that?
You know.
Much phone like this?
04.
Can't believe that thing is a moonlight phone. I mean, you put up all of them in it, put up them foot, so then neck again.
Every other music.
Ooh.
That's why you not breathe.
First and fourth, again.
You want to do it?
Yeah?
You want to do it?
Just fart. And it's mercy of God. See you today.
A favor, man.
From?
God.
We usually skill on her.
So you don't
When she go for chew, that woman realize you know food is back.
be hot.
See? As we can't pull up and give us run away to the car.
Alright, mommy, see?
Put it on the back height for a while. And she come in and lean off the back height. By the time you move it hot back. Smart on me. Somebody give him syrup. Water after syrup. I put water in there. You want to cut the people in. I'm not buying nothing from them.
So what you do with the half high syrup?
I'm going to hide it from myself in the market. Gerald, you can't take some ice cream. You're alright, mommy.
You don't know you have
I
it.
have my thing ready.
If you run out of patience,
She usually mean it all the pudding. Wait, I cut off the base side.
just cut off the tail.
What do you mean, man? I mean I'm that in way.
Battery low.
You know my granny though?
Yeah.
It's fat. Oh, she fat though?
Yeah.
So that, I'm going to say to him.
Say, oh, you're fat.
Say you can't live off, so you can't live off your fat. And how your fat say, mommy? And say, you want to fat and get mad. Let me down. Come there. Alright. Wash your fat, man. Need. Oh, run me down in your house. You know what I'm doing. Let me neck up. And then suppose I get back in. Post man. You tell about the bulla basket. Listen, you say grandma powerful. My father and my uncle talk about you. I don't have to be with this secret. Then I got my bulla basket.
Finish. Hold up. Packaged and ready to go. Chicken foot.
One action, you know? Boy.
Chicken neck. Gizzard. Liver. Yes.